Welcome fellow market bandits. In today's video we will discuss the ultimate step-by-step guide to day trade Forex, from basics to profits. Are you interested in making money through Forex trading? Look no further. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide on how to day trade Forex successfully. Step 1. Understanding the basics. First, what is Forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it involves buying and selling currencies. It's important to understand how currencies fluctuate, market trends, and the factors that influence exchange rates. Step 2. Choosing a reliable broker. Selecting a reputable Forex broker is crucial. Look for a broker that offers low spreads, reliable execution, and strong customer support. Take your time to research and choose a broker that suits your trading style and needs. Step 3. Developing a strategy. Having a well-defined trading strategy is crucial for success. Determine your trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. Will you be a scalper, day trader, or swing trader? Develop a strategy that aligns with your preferences. Step 4. Technical and fundamental analysis. Next, let's dive into technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, focuses on economic data and news events that impact currencies. Step 5. Risk management. Effective risk management is a vital component of day trading. Set proper stop-loss orders and limit your exposure to any single trade. Always trade with a risk-reward ratio that makes sense. Remember, preserving your capital is just as important as making profits. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. Before risking your hard-earned money, practice your trading strategy on a demo account. Most brokers offer free demo accounts with virtual money. Use this opportunity to refine your skills and gain confidence in your trading abilities. Step 7. Monitor and evaluate. Once you start trading, continuously monitor your trades and evaluate your performance. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, analyze successes, and learn from your mistakes. This discipline will help you continually improve as a trader. Step 8. Continuous learning. The Forex market is dynamic and constantly evolving. To stay ahead, dedicate time to continue learning and refining your knowledge. Follow trusted sources, join online communities, and attend webinars or seminars to enhance your trading skills. In conclusion, day trading Forex can be an exciting and profitable venture. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you will be on your way to becoming a successful Forex trader. Thanks for watching this video. For more helpful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!